Okay, you guys, I loved this idea so much that I bought all 3 packs I have right here for you today to smell and test for you and show you the new sampler packs from Wishes Candle Company. There are 4 candles in each little box, 2 ounce each, and each box has a different theme. So we have 2 that are attraction themed, attraction inspired, and 1 food inspired box. And I am so excited to smell all the candles. You know me, I love my Disney inspired fragrances and I love doing these videos, doing all the different smells and getting a good feel for it. But I love these little sampler packs because it's a great way to be able to try something without committing to like a full 8 ounce candle of theirs. Now, I love their 8 ounce candles. These are the ones that have the little mystery pin on them. So when you burn them down, you can pull out the little foil and unwrap your mystery pin. And it's so fun. It's so exciting. The candles themselves are so cute. This one I had to reorder. It's the Unbirthday cake with the sprinkles. I am obsessed with the look of this candle, the feel, the whole experience, but of course, the smell. The smell is like vanilla buttercream cake. It's so yummy. Oh my goodness. So I had to order another one of these. So I'm gonna be diving into these boxes today, showing you what they look like, describing the smells, letting you know what I like and don't like, and then maybe you guys can pick some up if you want to get the next round. She has done 2 stocks so far, and both times they sold out really fast. So make sure you follow her on Instagram so you get notified when the next stock is, and follow me too because I'll let you guys know. Each little box was retailing for $18, and you can use my affiliate code if you want to bring that down a little bit. It's just ashleyelix and you'll save 10%. So I picked up all 3. I'm excited to share with you guys what I think about these, and I just love this concept. It's so cute. And even if you're not just trying to just get this, you know, scent description down, I think they make really cute gifts. If there's anybody in your life that loves Disney just as much as I do and you want to get them a little variety, cute little thing, I love that because this is so cute. You have all the different, you know, inspired, the popular, I'm just so excited. I can't even think straight. So we're going to do that today. By the way, if you are new to my channel and my face, my name is Ashley Elix, and I would love it so much if you would consider subscribing by hitting that little red button down below. I post beauty and lifestyle videos, and I sprinkle in these Disney inspired fragrance videos, candle companies, all that fun stuff because I just love it and I like to share. Sharing is caring, and show you guys information and smelling and having fun. I'm ready to dive into these boxes this round and see what there is to see. And if you want to come along with me, then all you need to do now is sit back, hang tight, and keep on watching. Boop! By the way, this isn't a backpack. Well, I mean, it's a baby backpack. I have my little 3-month-old sitting here taking a nap, chilling in my little, what is this called? Ergo baby. This is the Ergo baby. So she's just chilling. She's sleeping. She's hanging out with me because mama gots to do what mama gots to do. So this is what the little variety box looks like. This one is the Magic, I believe. Yeah, the Magic Pack Sampler. So these are all going to be ride inspired fragrances. Here are the little 2 ounce candles. They're so cute. Now I haven't smelled these ones. There's going to be a couple in each box that I do own and I have smelled, but a lot of them are new to me. 2 ounce jar that we have right here. This is Beautiful Tomorrow. That is what the candle looks like. So still a beautiful glass jar, still feels luxurious. Let's open it up, and yes, the glitter is still in there. I love that they do the glitter on top of the candles. It's a totally biodegradable, safe glitter, and I love that. It's so cute. So the Beautiful Tomorrow candle is supposed to be citrus fruits, sugar, and vanilla. Let's take a little whiff. Oh, that is so yummy and fresh and like spring and nice. Oh, wow. That is just, I smell the citrus fruits for sure. It's not too much orange or lemon. It's just a nice light citrus and sugary vanilla scent. That is really nice. It kind of smells like, I would totally like to put this in my bathroom because it just feels very, you know, fresh laundry, fresh scents, just really yummy. Really beautiful. Beautiful Tomorrow. I love that. Okay, let's go into the next one. Ooh, Cannonball Red. So this one is obviously a little bit more pirate theme, maybe more of the cannonball scene. Ooh, that one has black glitter. That is such a cool candle. Ooh, that is like a campfire, a little bit of a gunpowder smell. That is awesome. What is it described as? Gunpowder, smoke, and vanilla. I smell a little bit of that vanilla too. This would make such a cool gift for anybody that loves a pirate ride because it looks awesome and it smells awesome. If you like those earthy, wood burning, campfire type of smells, the Cannonball Red is killer. That is really cool. Let's go into Laughing Place, and this one just launched. So they actually have the full size and the fragrance oil of Laughing Place. It's supposed to be Splash Mountain inspired. Let's take a look. Has fun silver glitter on top. They describe it as park water with a hint of grass. Let's see. Oh, Ooh, that's nice. That's not as offensive as Magic Candle Company. If you caught that last video that I did where I was blindfolded and I was putting the two brands to the test, the Magic Candle Company has a, what is it called? Splash, the Splash Mountain inspired candle. That one smells so much like the water that it's almost offensive. It's like chlorine, like burning chlorine. This one is really nice. It's like you get the little bit of the park water scent, but it's more pleasant. You know, like you don't mind burning this in your house. That's really nice. That's really nice. Yeah, I like Laughing Place. That's cute. Okay, I was a little bit worried about that one because the other one, it's like, ugh, it's too much. It's just too much. And then last one we have, which is one I actually already have, it's Regions Beyond, which is supposed to be Haunted Mansion inspired. And look at how pretty this one is. You have the purple candle with the green top, totally spooky, totally Halloween vibes and villain vibes. I love it. Yeah, and this one it turned out to end up being one of my favorites. It has that kind of smell like you walk into a Lush store. That's what it smells like because it has the patchouli in it. And then what else do they say? They have geranium, musk wood. It's just really nice. I can't say like it exactly smells like the Haunted Mansion. Like it's not dank and musty smelling at all. It just smells like what like you would think of like people would use perfumes in of the early 1900s. I don't know, just like natural earthy florals and things like that. So that's kind of, I think, where the inspiration came. Like what would this house have smelled like when it was new? The Haunted Mansion. I don't know. It doesn't smell like old or musty or anything. It's just really beautiful florals, like a Lush store, and I like it. So that is the Magic pack. Let's go to Miraculous sampler pack, and this first one here is Citrus Fields, which I believe is inspired by Soarin'. I could be totally wrong, but I think maybe Soarin' over California when they fly over the orange groves. They describe citrus fields as jasmine, neroli, and orange blossoms. Let's take a whiff. Ooh, that one has green glitter, so cute. Ooh, that is beautiful. Here, do you want to smell? Yeah. My daughter's gonna take a little whiff, my other daughter. That smells nice. Like orange blossoms, right? Yeah. Not like a fresh squeezed orange juice or anything. This next one is called Savannah Sunrise, and I'm sorry, I've never been to Disney World. I live in California, I've only been to Disneyland, so I believe this one is supposed to be something in the animal kingdom. Wait. I remember what this one is. This one, Savannah Sunrise, is the part of Soarin' Over the World where you're soaring over the elephants and they're like kicking up dirt and stuff. I believe that's what this is supposed to be because it's described as earth, dirt, and woodland and greens. This one has a grayish glitter. That is really pretty too. I love that. The glitters like add this bit of magic and it just adds to the whole experience of these candles. I love them so much. Whoa, that smells like rolling in grass. Like I just unlocked a memory. I just have like flashbacks of like rolling down a grassy hill as a kid, but definitely like when you're soaring over the world and the elephants are kicking dirt at you. That's totally, it's like, ooh, that is pungent. I don't know if I would buy a full size of this one, but it's fun to experience as a 2 ounce. And again, that's why I love these variety packs because that is awesome. Okay, the next one is Have a Nice Flight, which I do have, and I do really enjoy this one. The candle's blue with a pretty little red glittery top. Now this one is supposed to be, I think, the Avatar ride and the Soarin' over Fiji part. I think. Have a Nice Flight. Oh yeah. And it is so beautiful. Now, my personal opinion from Wishes Candle Company, I believe that it's the Yacht and Beach. I believe that their Yacht and Beach, to me personally, just smells a little bit more like you're flying over Fiji on Soarin', but Have a Nice Flight is very close. And it's nice. It's lovely. A great summer fragrance. It is beautiful. I love that. Last one in this box is Fallen Rome. So I feel like this is gonna smell a lot like Cannonball, but I'm not sure. The description says it is burned ruins, smoky ashes, and cedar wood. Now I know that there's a ride at the Disney World parks where they have something about Rome burning or something. Let me know what that is down in the comments because again, I haven't been and I only know so much about something I've never been to before. So this one has a black glitter on it, super cute. Let's see how similar it is to Cannonball Red. Oh, so different. And I think it's the cedar wood. That is different. Wow. Interesting. I could see me burning this for the holidays. It's a really pretty burning wood smell, but a different type of wood, cedar wood. All right, so the last box that I have to smell is the food inspired box, and this should be the yummiest of all. So let's see what we got first. We have pineapple swirl, which Dole Whip. No description needed, just Dole Whip. That has a little bit of cute little yellow glitter on top. Let's see how similar it is to the famous dessert. Oh, that's it. That's Dole Whip in a candle. I love it. That is beautiful. I will get a full size of this next order. Wow, yummy. Do you want to smell this? Tell me if it smells like Dole Whip.
I don't really like Dole Whip,
but does it smell like it? I know you've only had it once, but...
Oh, it smells really like Dole Whip.
It's so good. Oh, I miss it. Oh, I haven't been to Disneyland in a long time. Oh. Okay, this one is one of my all-time favorites from Wishes. It's Bag of Beignets, and look at this. Little pretty white glitter on top, looks like powdered sugar, just like the beignets have. And I love this because it reminds me of my favorite Disney princess movie, which is Princess and the Frog. Oh, it smells just like the beignets, and it is beautiful and delicious, and it makes my mouth water, and I want to go to Jazz Kitchen and order some beignets, and oh, I love it. Okay, the next one here is Confectionery Corner, and I love going through the little confectionery shops. Oh, it smells so good. Everything looks so delicious. This candle is pink, and on the inside, let's see, it's like a nice little surprise. It's purpley glitter. So adorable, so lollipop and fun. Oh my goodness, that smells like one of those rainbow lollipops that they have. Oh my, a little bit of caramel. What do they describe this as? Sugar, cherry, hard candy. Maybe it's cherry I'm smelling. Yeah, well, sugar, caramel, I mean, you know, but it's not like rich like caramel. That is so delicious smelling. It smells just like one of those unicorn lollipops or rainbow giant lollipops. If you like that smell, you'll like this. So now you tell me, you love those lollipops. You tell me if this smells like that.
No. This smells like chocolate covered cherries.
Oh, chocolate covered cherries it smells like to you?
Yep.
Oh. Yeah, it does kind of, when you say chocolate covered cherries, it does kind of smell like that too. Which I guess is kind of a mix because the confectionery has chocolate. They have the lollipops, they have the candy apples. It's a whole mix. That is delicious. Oh, and the last one is churros. I'm gonna love this one because I love cinnamon. I love the smell of churros, and I just want my whole house to smell like this all of fall. All of it. Looks very similar to Bag of Beignets. It has the white top on there. You know, just like a churro would, covered in sugar. So cute. Let's see if it smells like churros though. Oh my goodness. Refuse to eat it. Don't eat it because it smells good enough to eat, but don't eat it. It smells so good. Come here. Smell this.
It smells like the sugar plum
churros. The favorite churro?
Yeah.
Oh, isn't it so good?
Sugar plum churros.
Oh, sugar plum churros. Yeah. The sugar plum churros that come during the holidays at Disneyland.
And before?
Oh, so good. Wow. I'll be getting a full size of that one for sure, for sure. Okay, so those are all of the sampler packs that Wishes Candle Company launched for their first round. I hope that they come out with some more because that is super exciting, but they also make cute gifts. So not only if you just want to smell them for yourself before you commit to the full size, like I said, but that is a cute little gift bundle for anybody that loves the Disney parks and Disney inspired things. Let me know down below if there are any other candle fragrance companies that you want me to review as well. I would really like to do some Harry Potter ones. So if you know of any good Harry Potter themed candle companies like Butterbeer, let me know, hit me up, and I will try to do those for you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for stopping by today. Make sure you subscribe before you go. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all those places, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.